Stoner's Car Care Hybrid Ceramic Trim Shine. This is a simple spray and wipe restaurant and protectant for plastic trim, vinyl, and leather. 16 ounces for $14.99. Not a bad price, so if this is halfway effective, it would be a good buy, or at least something to look into. We are still working on this Mini Cooper here. We're now on the passenger side. You can see the plastic trim and its zebra effect, damage from the sun's harmful rays, chemicals, and just overall exposure to what Mother Nature can throw up at it. Sharing some information on the product, it does contain SiO2 that cross links and bonds to vinyl, plastic, and rubber. And they claim 4 times more protection and durability. Now, compared to what? I'm not sure. I'm guessing their original trim shine that came in a can. On the other side, the driver's side here, we've already applied their more hardcore trim coating, and it looks very good. And up front, we applied the Meguiar's trim shine and trim restorant and protectant. When it comes to preparation, as I stress in every video that I can, preparation is going to be key. Yet another way to clean textured plastics is to grab your favorite leather brush. The bristles are just stiff enough to get in the crevices, the peaks and valleys of the textured plastic, but gentle enough to do cleaning without doing harm, if that makes sense. Agitation in circular motions with the leather brush, and we have a little bit of cleaner. This is an all-purpose cleaner, Kraken from Phoenix EOD. The next thing I like to do is make sure there's no cleaner residues from all-purpose cleaners. You can make your own with an isopropyl alcohol mix, or just use your favorite panel prep.
We drove to my dad's office building. What happened when you got there? Megan got out of the car and went inside.
Seems like with every pass, we're pulling dirt and grime from the plastic trim, so I'm going to rinse and repeat, so to speak, until that towel is perfectly clean. You also want to make sure the plastic trim is completely dry. If there's no way to use forced air and you can't get in the cracks and crevices with a drying towel or a microfiber towel, just simply wait until it's completely dry. Then we'll grab our Stoner Car Care Hybrid Ceramic Trim Shine, simply spray into a microfiber or foam applicator, wipe it on. It really does a decent job at self-leveling, so you don't have to follow up with a microfiber. And to tell you, for a simple spray and wipe, restorant and protectant, it's not doing a bad job. It's masking those horrid zebra stripes, bringing it back to a nice, dark, rich look. So I'm going to continue on. Not a bad look so far. So SiO2, give it its proper cure time. You should all know what that is by now. And when we come back, it does feel nice and slick, has a good look to it. The zebra effect is still masked, still looks good. Not bad. When it comes to durability, that is going to be a time will tell situation, and that could be different for all of us. I'll let you know how this mini holds up as it comes back for maintenance. As we spray water on it, the behavior isn't quite as aggressive as on the other side with the Stoner Car Care trim coating, the more hardcore coating. You could see here the water behavior is a bit more aggressive. And we'll walk up front and do the exact same thing to the McGuire's trim restaurant as well. So that's really all there is to the Stoner Car Care Hybrid Ceramic Trim Shine. I can only keep you filled in as to how it holds up over time. I'm going to guess a couple months compared to the more sophisticated coating in the last video. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.